Hey Alex, it's Dave Houston at Ken Honda downtown. Hey, wanted to send you a quick video of this 2000 Ford Mustang. It's in the ruby red with beige cloth interior. This thing is in amazing condition for being a 2000. It's pretty dang impressive. So you got the paint to match door handles. Tires are Bridgestones and they're in great condition. This is the only thing I can see wrong with it. There's a couple scratches right there. That's it. Paint, no major oxidation. Got a little bit on the bumper. You could repaint that and look fantastic. The inside is in great condition. I mean, these seats are like, there's no rips or tears, no major stains. I mean, the door panels are really good condition. Steering wheel doesn't show very much wear and tear. So you got air conditioning, AM, FM, cassette, and CD player. You don't see that very often, cassette players anymore. All the manuals. Great shape. Anyways, non-smoker, headliner's clean. Don't get any better than this. Here is the video of the 2000 Ford Mustang offered at Ken Honda with 84,000 miles. Let me make sure that's right. That's right, 84,492 miles. If you have any questions, like to come in for a test drive, Dave Houston at Ken Honda downtown, 801-865-6598. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.